How to solve 1 power y plus 2 power y is equal to 4 power y. Find the value of y. So at first we divided by 4 power y in both sides. So divided by 4 power y divided by 4 power y divided by 4 power y. Now we see this 4 power y will be cancelled. So here on, here on. Now from here we see y same power but different base. So remember this exponential rule that a power n over b power n is equal to a over b, then bracket common power n. That means n same power but different base. So according to this formula you can write here 1 over 4, then bracket common power y, then plus here again y same power but different base. So according to this formula I can write here 2 over 4, then bracket common power y, then is equal to 1 divided by 1, that means it will be 1. Now 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 bracket power 2. 1 square is same as 1 over 2 square is same as 4. Then this first bracket can be written as second bracket, then power of y, then plus here 2 divided by 2, that means it will be 1. 4 divided by 2, that means it will be 2. So we have 1 over 2 bracket power y, then is equal to 1. Now here you can apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So according to this rule we can write here 1 by 2 bracket power y, then second bracket power of 2, then plus 1 by 2 bracket power y, then is equal to 1. Now we see 1 by 2 bracket power y, 1 by 2 bracket power y, both term is same. So let 1 by 2 bracket power y is substituted by x. So our equation will be x square plus x, then is equal to 1. Now we can write here x square plus x, then this plus 1 take to the left side, so this will be minus 1, then is equal to 0. Now here you can apply quadratic formula. So you can write here x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Here a will be equal to 1, then b will be equal to 1, after that c will be equal to negative 1. Now we can write here x will be equal to minus b, that means 1, then plus or minus square root of b square, that means it will be 1 square minus 4 times a, that means on, times c, that means negative on. So bracket negative on, then divided by 2 times a, that means on. Now we can write here x is equal to minus on plus or minus a square root of 1 square is same as on, then minus times minus, that means it will be plus 4 times on times on, that means it will be 4, then divided by 2 times on, that means 2. Now we can write here x is equal to minus on plus or minus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means it will be 5, then divided by 2. Now we see here two cases, so we can write here x is equal to minus on plus a square root of 5 divided by 2, or x is equal to minus on minus a square root of 5 divided by 2. But remember that x, that means let 1 by 2 bracket power y is substituted by x. So x, that means it will be 1 by 2 bracket power y. So x, that means it will be 1 by 2 bracket power y is equal to plus a square root of 5, that means a square root of 5, then minus on divided by 2, or x, that means it will be 1 by 2 bracket power y. So 1 by 2 bracket power y is equal to minus on minus a square root of 5 divided by 2. Now we see 1 by 2 bracket power any number is always positive, but this is must be negative. So positive cannot be equal to negative, so this is rejected. Now from here we apply log in both sides. So you can write here log of 1 by 2 bracket power y is equal to log of square root of 5 minus on divided by 2. Now this power y will move to the base. So according to this rule, log m power r is equal to r log m. That means this power r move to the base. So this power y will move to the base. So you can write here y log 1 by 2 is equal to log of square root of 5 minus on over 2. We need the value of y, so we divided by log of 1 by 2 in both sides. So divided by log of 1 by 2 divided by log of 1 by 2. Now this log of 1 by 2, this log of 1 by 2 will be cancelled. So here y will be equal to this divided by this, that means it will be log of square root of 5 minus on over 2, then base of 1 by 2. So this is the value of y, so this is our final answer. How to simplify? 9 power 5 plus 9 power 5 plus 9 power 5 is equal to what? So is equal to I take common 9 power 5. So 9 power 5 is out of the bracket. So this divided by this, that means on, plus this divided by this, that means on, plus this divided by this, that means 1. Then bracket close is equal to 9 is same as 3 power 2. Then bracket power of 5. Then times 1 plus 1 plus 1, that means it will be 3. Then is equal to 3 power of 2 times 5, that means it will be 10. Then times this 3 is same as 3 power 1. Now we see 3 same base but different power, so it will be 3 power of 10 plus 1, then is equal to 3 power of 10 plus 1, that means it will be 11. So 3 power of 11, this is our final answer.